Hi children, good morning to one another. This is Sudharani. In this class we are going to discuss about the topic is oxidation state. Okay, the topic is oxidation state. What is meant by oxidation state? Okay, oxidation state is nothing but the number of electrons gain or loss. The number of electrons gain or loss when they react with a chemical compound. When they react with any chemical compound is called oxidation state. Okay, for when we have to find oxidation state, we have some rules. Okay, first one is for inert gas elements the oxidation state is always 0. For inert gas elements the oxidation state is always 0. For hydrogen it is always +1. For hydrogen it is always +1. For oxygen it is always -2. In case of peroxides, oxidation state of oxygen is -1. In case of peroxides, it is -1. Okay. If for first group elements, it is always +1. For second group elements, it is always +2. For second group elements, it is always +2. Okay. Now we have calculated the oxidation state of sulfuric acid, which is H2SO4. We don't know the oxidation state of sulfur, so we keep it as X and we calculated here. For hydrogen we know that it is +1, for oxygen it is -2. So 2 plus X minus 8 equal to 0. 4 2s are 8. X minus 6 equal to 0. So S equal to 6. For H4P2O7. Okay. See. For hydrogens are 4, 4 1s are 4, oxygens are 7, 7 2s are 14. Here oxygen is minus. We know that P, so it is as X. So 2x minus 10 equal to 0, 2x equal to x equal to 5, P equal to 5. Okay, see another example. KMnO4, 4K plus 1, oxygen minus 2, Mn we don't know. We take it as X. 1 plus X minus 8 is equal to 0. X minus 7 equal to 0. X equal to 7. X is nothing but Mn, manganese. Okay. Another example. K2Cr2O7. Okay. K is +1. Cr2 we know that. 2 plus 2x plus 14 equal to 0. 2x minus 12 equal to 0. 2x equal to 12. X equal to 12 by 2. Where x is nothing but Cr. Okay. Must see 7 2s are 14. 2 1s are 2. 2 into x 2x. Okay, another example. Nitrate NO3 minus. Okay, when we don't know X, O minus 2. X 3 2s are 6 equal to -1. Here whole power minus is there. So we take it is equal to -1. X equal to -1 plus 6. X equal to 5. Here X is nothing but nitrogen. Okay. Well, madam, you know that nitrogen valence is how much? 3. Here why it is getting 5? It is oxidation state ma, not valency. Okay. Some more examples ma. Okay. For NaCl. Sodium chloride. We read for sodium +1. Cl we don't know. X equal to -1. Okay, x equal to -1. So Cl equal to -1. Cl equal to -1. In the same way, for different types of compounds, okay, K2Cr2O7, KMnO4, potassium permanganate, different types of compounds we can find the valency. For example, see KClO4. K +1, oxygen -2. Here Cl we don't know, it is X. 1 plus X minus 8 equal to 0. X minus 7 equal to 0. Here x equal to 7. So Cl equal to 7. It is different. Here the oxidation state in potassium chloride. The oxidation state in sodium chloride is different. Okay. See another example. We have to find the oxidation state of P. Here barium plus 2. Okay. Plus 2 into hydrogen plus 1 PXO minus 2 we don't know. 2 plus X minus 4. 2 plus 2 into 4 to X minus 2. So 2 plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. 2x minus 2 equal to 0. 2x equal to 2. So x equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1. So here P is equal to 1. The oxidations of P is equal to 1. Okay. See, for Na2 SO4. For Na2 SO4. Na. Okay. 2 plus X sodium sulfate Na2SO4. Na is 2 1s are 2 plus X 4 2s are 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So X minus 6 equal to 0. So X equal to 6. So here S is 6. Okay. See another example. Suppose ammonia. H we know that 1 and ammonia we don't know X. So X plus 3 equal to 0. X equal to minus 3. X is nothing but nitrogen which is equal to minus 3. We can find the oxidation state. We can find the oxidation state of the compound. Okay. In this way we can find the oxidation state of the different elements. See another example. CaCO3 calcium carbonate. Okay. Oxide we know minus 2. Calcium also plus 1. We don't know the valency of the carbon. So 1 plus X minus 6 equal to 0. X minus 5 equal to 0. X equal to 5. X is nothing but carbon which is 5. Okay. To find the CMA, now we are calculating like this. Okay. If you want to know where the answer which we got is right or not, we can check. How? See, here we know that S equal to 6. If we apply here, the total should be 0. The total should be 0. See. So we got X equal to 6. If we apply here X, 6, we have to get the total value. See, 2 1s are 2 plus 6, 4 2s are 8. Okay. 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So the answer which we get is correct. Okay. Thank you.